recording. So I want to respond to this message, and I do @Jenny Hopking, select it. It didn't do it.
Okay.
@Jenny Hopking. And then we'll put in
this is a link, supposedly.
A couple of carrots. And then we hit send, so that should be linked to Jenny. And we'll refresh this.
It should be upper.
Yeah, it should be in here, but it's not.
Yeah, because it's a reply to Shannon. So if we open the user message,
yeah, it's not in here.
It's not even in there.
Yep. So
can we go and check on the Facebook?
So if we go over here to Facebook,
yes,
and hit refresh, so there's Shannon's message, Jenny's message, and then there's the reply with no link.
It's not unmentioned. Okay. Okay, delete this. Yeah, good.